Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. We brought the show out to our front lawn this morning because it is going to be a big weekend for grilling. It is Father's Day, and so we brought in two of the best. Of course, you know, Kathy Pullin with Pullin Premium Barbecue. Alton Paris is joining us this morning from two Gringos Chupacabra Rub. That is so hard to say, Alton.
Thank y'all for having us here.
Absolutely. Welcome to San Antonio Living. You are legendary with your rubs and your barbecuing tips, and I'm so excited to have you here. Kathy, how did you two get together?
Oh, well, a few years ago I had little Maddie Holmes cook with me, and she used the Chupacabra rub on that tri-tip and taught me how to use, make tri-tip. Right. And that's kind of where Alton and I started talking, and I think we finally met each other last fall. Right. When he opened up his new shop out near me off of Trainer Hill and Interstate 10, and I promised him an opportunity to promote his new store. Because you can find his products in HEB, but you can't find all of his products.
The store's fantastic. I want to share a couple of pictures with you to show you where the store is, the inside. How do people find you out there, Alton?
Well, we're almost at the corner of IH10 eastbound at Trainer Hill Road. Okay. 1 block south on the left-hand side with the second business on the left.
Okay. So we're going to grill up some riblets this morning, and in all truthness, I've never heard of a riblet. What is a riblet? It's like just a baby rib?
They're baby backs, and I was introduced to them on a fishing trip to British Columbia. Okay. And the chef there had done them, but they deep fried them. And I thought if they can deep fry them, I can smoke them and make them better.
Oh, yeah.
So we get the baby backs, and we have the butcher cut them 2 times evenly.
Okay.
So you wind up with 3 long pieces.
I love this idea. This is like bite-sized ribs is what it comes down to. So you have the butcher chop them up.
When Kathy gets them done, we cut up between each bone, and you end up with 1 nugget.
A little riblet.
I love it. Okay, so what do you like to season your riblets with?
Well, first of all, 2 ways. You can either start with mustard or a little bit of olive oil, just as a binder for the rub.
Okay, so mustard helps keep the spice on the ribs, which is a very important tip because otherwise it's just gonna fall right off.
Right. And I always, any meat that I'm doing, whether it's for competition, backyard, a lot of people don't realize the longer the rub or the spice sits on that meat.
Someone's honking at you, Alton. They're saying, hey, good to see you out here.
The longer the rub sits on that meat, the better absorbency it has. The meat, natural liquid in the meat starts absorbing the salt, the rub. So today we did 2 kinds, the Cluckalicious and the Brisket Magic. We're going to use the Cluckalicious here.
Now, would you say that you use a generous amount of spice rub?
And it's according to your own palate. Okay.
And you do it on both sides, even the bone side, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. We do it on both sides and even on the edges. Any meat any meat you do should be done on the edges, whether it's steak, brisket, ribs, chicken, whatever.
There's 4 sides to every piece of meat, right? Not just 2.
That's right.
And especially like a good filet or something, or a ribeye, to get it on that those edges is very important.
So go ahead and put your spices on, let it sit for a while because that's going to bring out those natural juices. And then once we get it on the grill, about how long are you going to smoke something like this?
I like to do these at 300 to 325 degrees.
Hot and fast.
Hot and fast. Okay. Just watch them. You'll have to turn them. Normally on my competition ribs, they take about 4 to 5 hours to cook. But these, for some reason, in about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes, they're pulled off the bone. I mean, they're just...
There you go.
Those are so cute. I love them. I love riblets. I'm never going to eat a regular rib again because a riblet is the way to go. I want to talk about these spices up here in front. Alton, we can find those at your shop?
Yes, we have everything at the shop that you see here on the table. All of our products are available there.
It's a good place to take Dad for Father's Day, especially a dad that likes to grill. Kathy, those look absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, hold on. All right, so I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna eat for a second. You talk, because I know you like to use all of these great spices, plus your own. Yes. But if you're looking for a little help on the grill, Kathy's your go-to gal.
Well, you know, one thing that Alton and I both agree on and talk about is this
Oh,
spice,
those are good.
there may be something that's missing for me. So I'll add something. Layering flavors is so important with barbecue. Wouldn't you agree, Alton?
Correct.
And, you know, back in the day when we both probably first started in this, one flavor may have been okay, but today, not for the sophisticated palates out there today.
No.
They want flavor. They want multiple
Those
flavors.
are so good. Nice job, guys. I love the teamwork. I want to give away a big basket of goodies. We'll do this for the 4th caller. You're going to win this giant barbecue prize pack, 470-5144. Good luck. And if you've got questions, you can find Kathy at Pullin Premium Barbecue, Texas-style catering. She's online at PullinPremiumBBQ.com, and her phone number's on the screen as well. Claudia, we'll send it to you.